gentle folks, welcome to the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride 2026. Today we not only ride a motorcycle, we ride for a cause. आज चाहिँ तपाईहरुले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ हामीले सुट लाएर एकदम dapper युनिफर्ममा चाहिँ राइड गरिराको यो चाहिँ अल ओभर द वर्ल्ड भइराको छ भने मोर देन 1100 सिटीजमा भइराको छ र मोर देन 110 कन्ट्रीजमा आजै यही दिन भइराको छ भने यो राइड चाहिँ एउटा एकदमै ठुलो च्यारिटी इभेन्ट पनि हो र यसमा चाहिँ अलमोस्ट 65 मिलियन USD कलेक्ट भइसकेको छ सो यो उठेको पैसा चाहिँ मुभमेम्बर भन्ने फाउन्डेसनले मेनको मेन्टल हेल्थ र मेनको प्रोस्टेट क्यान्सर रिसर्चमा युज गर्छ भने ट्रायम्फ चाहिँ जेन्टलमेन्स राइडमा एसोसिएट भएको अलमोस्ट 13 इयर्स भइसकेको छ भने ट्रायम्फले यो पालि स्पिड ट्विन 1200 पनि वान अफ द लकी जेन्टलमेनलाई चाहिँ दिँदै हुनुहुन्छ
Very energetic feel भइरहेछ Nepal worldwide dogma, so people don't speak about men's mental health and they don't speak up because men are expected to be like strong and they don't show their emotions. It's totally wrong.
It's supposed to be a very happy occasion. Hey, Bhadra wala aadmi hai jaise.
We are here for the brotherhood.
Really, the major focus is bringing attention to health issues which affect so many men.
Let's have a great ride together.
I'm proud to be on the DGR 2026.
It's good to be around people who loves bikes.
Stress haru bhayo bhane chai ride ma niklyo हामी गरेर आउँछौँ.
It's been a while since we've kissed or even since I've seen you.
Just grab your keys, start your bike, go on a ride on the road. You think about the present, that's what motorcycling is all about.
So I hope I didn't disturb you, but it's Sunday and I'm lonely, and I know 7:15's too early to be calling.
Mental health खासै त्यो धेरै कुरा हुँदैन नि त अनि यस्तै ग्यादर भएको बेलामा चाहिँ अनि कसैले कसैलाई इन्करेज गर्यो भने उनीहरु चाहिँ अलि ओपन अप हुन सक्छ जस्तो लाग्छ.
You could ease my worried mind.
Seeing people in all these dapper fits with all these cool bikes and obviously मलाई चाहिँ एकदम रमाइलो भइराछ भन्छु.
I can love someone else like I loved you, and I know that it might be a long time, but could you wait for me, stay true for me, save your lips for me, sleep alone for me. Yeah, could you wait for me?